We are traveling to Long Island, New York for a customer care meeting to meet up with Bill Carney, the VP of Operations at Genetco.
Genetco in the pharmaceutical supply chain is a distributor. We buy directly from the manufacturers. We sell to pharmacies, hospitals, doctors, supermarket chains, other distributors who need the purchasing power that we have so we can get them some product. We ship to all 48 states. The people in the warehouse put out about 350 orders a day, and we get the customers their product usually the next day.
So as a wholesale drug distributor in the pharmaceutical supply chain, you have a lot of regulations that you need to comply to. Tell me about what are your biggest challenges?
The biggest challenges for meeting the regulatory side is having both trading partners, either upstream at the supplier side or downstream at the customer side, understand the law as to how it affects us and how we have to interact with them to meet the law, and then trying to make it easier for the downstream partners to work with it and easier for the upstream partners to communicate with us and get us the information we need. And the changing landscape is a challenge because as we plan for things and the government comes out with new guidance, sometimes we've got it right and sometimes we have to make adjustments to what we have done. And that's why we count on companies like LSPediA to make sure that we stay on track.
So working with LSPediA, part of our service to our customers is to meet with our customers. What do you think about customer care meeting and how is that benefiting you?
Customer care meetings are great. You came down to us and we were talking about the way we wanted to implement some of our processes and integrate them into LSPediA, and you had some ideas on how to modify it, maybe do it a different way. So now we're going to look at those to see how they can benefit us and which is the better way to do it. We have one process, one thought process. You have a different thought process. Now we can talk about it. That's what I like about the advisory board meetings, where we can talk and we can hear people talking about what they're doing in the industry. Good thing about them is that we can work and get other ideas from other people in the industry. We have a lot more input as opposed to reading the guidance from the FDA or reading the guidance from the DEA or what has to go on. We get to talk to people that are working with it. You have various companies you work with, so you have different ideas that can work with us, and you can guide us in the right direction, and we can see which way works, and we have ideas that work for you, and we can work as very collaboratively, and that makes it better for everybody, which is nice.
And thank you for showing us your facility and your process. Every time I come here, I always enjoy your company and enjoy watching your people doing their job. And I have to say, I'm so impressed. They are very effective on what they do.
Oh, thank you.
And you do have a great process.
They do. They work very hard for us. They're really hard workers. It's nice. Yeah, we can relax at night and we can know that they're doing the right thing, which is nice.